So in the final subtask of this project, what we are going to do, we are going to be adding a loop. In the previous subtask, we had added all the necessary functions, whether it was taking input or performing the actual addition and subtraction. But here what we are going to do is we're going to make sure that we can give input infinite amount of times until we have exited the program. So there's not much change in this code. So basically what we have done is in this final part over here, we have added a while true statement over here, which is going to make sure the entire program happens infinite times. So we have the same printing calculator display, taking user input and passing that input to the actual program, and then we're going to print the value. So why have we given this particular string? Like why have we given if value equal to this and why not something else? The reason is over here what we have done is for the third option, or if you give any other number, it is going to return this particular statement. So if it has written this particular statement, then what we're going to do, we're going to tell the program, okay, you can exit. And hence over here we are exiting the program. So let's just check if this loop is working properly. Let me try subtraction first. So you can see the program is running once again, even after the difference has been calculated. So let me give exit to see what's going to happen. Let me give 5. Let's say 6. So you can see that the program has exited from the loop and won't be run again. So this project was part of our course Python project for beginners, where we have 11 different Python projects, so that it's a beginner friendly and guided path to learn Python. If you're watching this on YouTube, maybe head over to CodeChef and try it out yourself, or maybe try our other courses. And if you're already on CodeChef, good job driving into the solution. Keep going on to the next task. And if you want more challenges, guided learning paths, and mock interviews, try going pro on CodeChef and level up your developer journey. Thank you.